Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the well-known company Zillow. So if you like administrative work, this might be for you. Zillow is known to pay very, very well. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. But today, Zillow is hiring a senior administrative assistant. So this is going to be doing all the administrative work of different executives. It is remote for the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to provide dedicated support to executives while maintaining discretion and professionalism. You'll act as the liaison for internal teams and the external organizations. You'll manage calendars and scheduling requirements on those calendars, making sure that priorities are aligned for the executives. You'll make travel arrangements for them. You'll assist in planning and both running internal and external executive events and meetings. So you might handle like the meeting minutes and agendas, those minute emails that have to come out after the meeting with the talking points. You'll manage and track any administrative activities that help drive completion of key deliverables like reports or write-ups. You'll also be managing the expense reporting and reconciliation. Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in, pay for this position is always dependent on location and experience, but seems to run anywhere from $34.30 an hour on the low end, all the way up to $54.70 an hour on the high end. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They are looking for somebody who has 4 years of some kind of administrative experience, someone who has great organizational skills, strong attention to detail, someone who can be professional, have great verbal and written communication skills, the ability to multitask and be a problem solver. Now, they also want you to be proficient with technology such as Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Google Suite, which is the Google version of Outlook, Word, Excel, which would be Sheets, Docs, Forms, and Slides. You've got to know how to join those Zoom meetings and use an iPad and an iPhone. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that is absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.